Welcome to KidsTuneEd.
Please and thank you, bright and clear. Kind words bring us joy and cheer. Sorry helps when we've done wrong. It makes our hearts grow kind and strong. You're welcome makes a better day. Tiny words, but oh so bright. They fill the world with love and light. Oh, magic words, the nicest sounds you've ever heard. Oh, say them true, and the world smiles back at you. Words can heal and words can cheer. Use them kindly, far and near. Every time you're kind and fair, you're spreading love just everywhere. Magic words, the nicest sounds you've ever heard. Oh, say them true, and the world smiles back at you. Oh, let's be polite, sharing kindness day and night.
Welcome to KidsTuneEd.
When I see someone sad, I stop and smile. Maybe I can help, just stay a while. A tiny act, a gentle word can make the happiest sound ever heard. I feel for you and you for me. That's how kind the world should be. We share the earth, the sky, the sea. Let's care for all with empathy. If someone falls, I lend my hand. Together stronger we can stand. The trees, the birds, the air we share. Let's show the world we truly care. When we think of others too, the world feels fresh and bright and new. One small heart can light the way with empathy every day. I feel for you and you for me. That's how kind the world should be. We share the earth, the sky, the sea. Let's fill our hearts with empathy. I feel for you and you for me. That's how kind the world should be.
Welcome to KidsTuneEd.
Tell the truth, don't turn away. Honest words will light your day. Be yourself, stand tall and strong. Doing right will lead you on. Oh, that's just okay. Say I'm sorry right away. Try your best, be sincere. Honest friends stay year to year. Oh, always be true. Kindness shines in all you do. Oh, bright like the sun. Honest hearts shine for everyone. A little truth can shine so bright, like a star that lights the night. Be yourself, don't pretend. Honest hearts will win in the end. Oh, always be true. Kindness shines in all you do. Oh, bright like the sun. Honest hearts shine for everyone.